President Emmerson Mnangagwa is once again attempted to buy loyalty from traditional leaders in Masvingo province, distributing Heifers under the so-called Presidential Livestock Empowerment Program on Sunday. Mnangagwa Hoodwinks Masvingo traditional leaders with Heifers. Level subscribe or like on the bell icon. Critics say the end safe more is political theater than genuine empowerment. Traditional leaders were quick to express gratitude, seemingly ignoring the broader issues affecting their communities. Today is a great day for us as traditional leaders in Masvingo. We received Heifers from President Mnangagwa as part of these initiatives to empower us, Chief Mpapa said. President Mnangagwa is delivering all his promise, and the most important one being no one and no place will be left behind. As chiefs, we are happy that our lives have been transformed for the better, Chief Mourinho added, overlooking persistent challenges such as poverty and lack of infrastructure in the district. The program, touted as a means to improve rural livelihoods, appears to primarily benefit a select group of political allies. In quotes, we have seen a lot happening in our communities, from the community gardens, water projects, court scheme, the avhundutsa into ASA, all transforming the face of rural communities. Chief Chitenga said, though many ordinary villagers continue to struggle with limited access to these schemes, provincial authorities hailed the cattle distribution as a boost for local herds and breeding programs. As a province, we have got the largest yet, and this development will boost livestock production in the province. Again, the program will enhance the lives of our traditional leaders. Masvingo Minister of State Provincial Affairs and Devolution Honorable Zadc said. ZANU-PF officials framed the gesture as a swift delivery on campaign promise. The ZANU-PF-led government is delivering its promise of empowering communities as we have witnessed today. Last week, President Mnangagwa promised empowerment to our traditional leaders, and barely a week later, he has delivered. ZANU-PF Masvingo Provincial Chairperson Senator Rognos Mavenyangwa said. Analysts argue that while livestock handouts are highly visible, they do little to address systemic rural poverty, serving instead as a symbolic tool to secure political loyalty ahead of 2030. Domba developments are comrades about comment section videos of emo to deep arms repeat question. So unsubscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.